সবাইকে নমস্কার। আমি মেঘা। আমি 2025 ব্যাচের এসএসসি শিক্ষার্থী। এখন আমি ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপার বরিশাল বোর্ড 2022 এর 1 থেকে 5 নাম্বার প্রশ্নগুলো সলভ করার চেষ্টা করব। ফার্স্টে আছে fill in the blanks with preposition and articles. Metro Rail is a mega project in the development history of Bangladesh to make traffic movement easy and smooth in the city of Dhaka. Metro Rail is sure to play a great role. The mega city of almost 2 crore people is struggling badly with its narrow and overcrowded roads, but Metro Rail is sure to come as a sigh of relief. With with its uninterrupted movement, it will carry 60,000 passengers per hour 60,000 passengers per hour from both ends. 16 December 2022 is going to be an unforgettable day for the dwellers of Dhaka city. On this day, the red and green colored coaches of Metro Rail will take the passenger to their destination with ease and comfort. Second number আছে complete the following text with right forms of verbs given in the box. 1st January is observed now as the book festival in Bangladesh. On this day, students reading in school and madrasas get new books free of cost. Books are the most important teaching aids of students. If students do not get books in the time, their academic progress will be greatly hampered. So the present government has started this epoch-making program. The program will undoubtedly play a vital role in the uh, standard of education. By getting books on this day, student can start student can start taking their preparation from the very beginning of the academic year. Guardian of the student also become happy to see new books in their hands of their children. So this program should be continued for building an educated nation. The people of Bangladesh will remain ever grateful to the present government for taking this noble uh, initiative. Uh, initiative. 3 নম্বরে আছে change the sentence according to directions. Flower cultivation is very profitable now. How profitable the how profitable flower cultivation is now! Exclamatory করলাম. Many people cultivate flowers for earning money. Passive. Flowers are cultivated by many people for earning money. At present, there is a great demand of flowers. Interrogative. Isn't there a great demand of flowers at present? Everybody becomes glad to get flowers. Negative. There is nobody but become glad to get flowers. In some cases, flowers are more welcoming than any other gift. Positive. In some cases, no other gift is as welcoming as flowers. 4 নম্বরে আছে complete the text adding suffix prefix or the both with the root words given in the parentheses. Mango is a very popular fruit in Bangladesh. This seasonal fruit is very tasty and juicy. There are various types of mango. This Himsagar and Amrapali are known. Mango is favorite to most of the people. Actually, there is hardly any person who does not like mango. Most of the unripe mangoes are sour, but they become sweet and tasty when they are ripe. Mango cultivation is very profitable in Bangladesh, but all areas are not suitable for mango cultivation. It is widely cultivated in Rajshahi, Champainavabganj, and Satkhira district. Mango farmers become very glad when production is huge. They dream of improving their economic condition by selling their mangoes at a good price. ৫ নম্বরে আছে make tag question of these statements. Truthfulness is a great virtue, isn't it? Nothing is better than this quality, is it? Everybody loves a truthful man, don't they? Follow the footprints of truthful person. Will you? Let us try to be truthful, shall we? Thank you.